Ahmed, tech's taken over our life, but is it actually useful?
Definitely. Text transformed how we live, work, and connect. I mean, imagine no Google, no WhatsApp, no online shopping.
True, it's crazy how much we rely on it. But so many makes it feel like we're glued to screens.
Balance is key. Tech's a tool. It's helped me learn new skills, stay in touch with friends, and even work remotely.
Plus, think of healthcare and science, tech's saving life. From telemedicine to space exploration, it's mind-blowing.
Exactly. It's not just about convenience, it's pushing humanity forward.
Guess I need to unplug more often, haha.
Lol, we'll monitor your screen time.
Subscribe our channel for more interesting videos.